Classic Catty wanted to eat the cake which was kept on Mama's kitchen table. She tried to jump on the table to grab the cake. A sudden clash of thunder frightened her. Classic Catty hid beneath the table and started making a sound of k, 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 k. Thus Mama's cake was saved from the hand of naughty Catty.
Here is my car. Let us go to cafeteria to have coffee and cake. Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher.
Say hello to your friends.
Hello friends.
In this episode, we will be learning phonics with Monami. And today, we will learn the sound of a new letter. So let's start. But first, let us play a game of guessing the sounds. So let me play my magic sound box. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss.
Now, listen to the sound. Can you guess this sound?
Cat.
Now listen to this sound.
Bird.
Yes, this is a bird. Cuckoo. Now listen to this sound.
Car.
Well done, Monami. Now listen to this sound.
No, miss.
This is the sound of a castanets. Castanets.
Castanets.
Castanets.
Castanets.
Yes, as we have heard different types of sounds, similarly, all these letters in the English alphabet have different sounds. Someone is here. Let us see who is it.
Oh, letter C. Hello, letter C. Thank you, letter C. Letter C has bought a basket for us. Let us see what is inside this basket.
Monami, can you tell me what is inside this magic basket?
Cake. Clown. Cat. Crow. Goat. Coin. Carrot.
Well done, Monami.
Cake, coat, coin, crown, crow, carrot. Have you noted, children?
All these words begin with the k sound, and that is the sound of letter C. This is big C, uppercase C, or capital C, and this is small c or lowercase c. Can you repeat after me, Monami? Can you repeat after me, children? Big C,
Big C.
capital C,
Capital C.
uppercase C,
Uppercase C.
small c,
Small c.
lowercase c.
Lowercase c.
Well done.
Let us practice the k sound together.
Let us say it loudly. Now let us say it softly. Now let us say it to each other. Now say it to your friends. Well done! Are you ready to play I Spy with letter C?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Let's start.
I spy is on the cat. I spy is on the camera. I spy is on the carrot. I spy is in the coffee. I spy is on the cow. I spy is in the cave.
Well done, Monami. Well done, children. Now time to revise. Which letter is this?
Letter C. Uppercase C. Big C. Capital C. Lowercase c. Small c.
And what is the sound of letter C? Well done. Thank you, children, for learning with Monami. Hope you have enjoyed this episode. See you in our next episode with another letter. Till then, keep smiling, keep sharing, and stay blessed.
And like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye.
Bye, children.